Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video I will show you how to make a Google spreadsheet editable by multiple users. So the spreadsheet Google like WPS or Google Spreadsheet and recently the Microsoft Excel can editable by multiple person, multiple users by cloud instead of using offline files. That's really good technology that we have today. Now, if you want to make your Google spreadsheet it's editable by multiple users, you open your Google spreadsheet like this. This is my data, and then you can see on the right upper here, you can see share button. You can share it, and then you can type in the email you want to invite as editor or just viewing and so on. Just wait. Why it took so long? See, this is me, and then I can add email around here. This is another email from my colleague, and then after that you can add and then choose the role of your colleague, and then after that, or you want to anyone can edit this Google spreadsheet, you can click this general access and then make sure anyone with the link, and then click this editor. But I don't recommend this to you because everybody with no authentication can edit your file. That's really dangerous, and that's really take a risk. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. If you think this content is helpful for you, you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.